if you have ever struggled to thread a needle, I'm going to show you my technique that I've showed hundreds, probably even thousands of people. It really helps. So you've probably been shown to thread a needle like that, where you're trying to push it through the eye, but you can't see what you're doing because your hands are blocking the eye of the needle, and it can be quite time consuming. So my favourite trick is to do it the opposite way around. So you hold the eye of the needle so you can see it, and then you bring your thread behind and you look through the eye of the needle and you just push the thread through, and then you can pull it through. Makes it so much easier. I'll show you that again. So you take the end of your thread, you look through the eye of the needle, push the thread through. Oh, it just slipped out then. Push the thread through and then pull it up. There we go. Perfect needle in seconds. Then if you find that your needle always comes in undone as you sew in and the thread comes out, a great tip is to tie a knot in the end so that it doesn't come undone. So you just do a loop like this, take the end of the loop through and then pull, and then you've got a little knot at the end. And then these leftover threads, I would just trim those off and recycle them. So ready to fix anything you need to.